I will be showing you the admin actor. So first, let's log in as an admin. The moment you log in, you're able to see a list of all the users in the system. We can browse and we can search by username. We can also delete a user. So let's do that. The moment a user is deleted, all the information from the server and from the database related to that user will be deleted. We can also edit the user. At the moment, this user is deactivated. So let's activate him. Save the changes. Another feature the admin has is the ability to add another admin to the system. So let's create another admin. Once we hit submit, this admin will get an email with their temporary password and some information. Okay, now that admin is able to use the system as an administrator. Another feature is the ability to add students. We can fill out all this information and we will essentially be creating a new student to the system. We can do the same for the employer and add all kinds of information, including company info, and then register an employer to the system. We can also view the web statistics, which gives us information about active jobs, about students, active students. We can also edit these skills. So let's edit Java. Let's name it Java with a 2 at the end. Once we save it, that's going to affect all the users in the system that have the skill of Java. So let's edit that right back to Java. Okay, let's create a new skill and name it testing, and let's create it. As we see here, this skill is already in the system, so let's create testing number 2. We're also able to search for skills. Let's see the skill that we just created plus the other one that's already in the system. We're able to delete this skill if we don't want it. We're also able to merge skills. So if we want to merge testing with software engineering, for example, the skills will be merged into one. Here we can see the postings for all the jobs in the system. If we wanted to delete a job from the system, we can. So let's delete tester 3. And it's gone. Another feature is the ability to authenticate with different APIs, such as Indeed. We can also remove them from the system. We're also able to import jobs from other sources by clicking this button. From the admin panel, we are also able to determine if we are going to allow job match notifications, so we can turn them off or on, and that will determine if the job match notification will be sent out or not. The admin is also able to send messages to any user in the system. So let's send a message to the Android employer and another message to a student. Here we can see the whole list of students. We can send a message. We can view the sent message right here, and the time that it was sent. You can also delete that message. You can go to the trash and completely delete that message if you want to. The admin is also able to change their password. So let's try to do that. Now if we put the old password incorrectly, we try to change it. We're going to get a message here telling us that the old password wasn't correct. If we try to leave it blank, it's going to give us another error. If we put the password correctly and the new password doesn't match twice, then we're going to get a different error. So this time let's do it correctly. And the password will be changed successfully. So let's log out. And that is it for the admin features.